Hi again, welcome back. Are you feeling invisible in your relationship? Do you often feel that your partner just doesn't hear what you're saying? That he ignores your opinions or even dismisses them without giving them any thought at all? You may feel as though you're always the last person that he wants to talk to, or that he would rather spend his time with others instead of you. It can be very upsetting and hurtful when this happens, especially if it's someone that we love and care about so much. You should know that you deserve to be heard, respected, and valued by those around you, including your partner. If he doesn't listen to you or pay attention to what you have to say, then there is something wrong with him, not with you. But if you want to change that, if you want him to finally start listening to you and taking your thoughts and feelings into account, then don't worry, because today I am going to share with you 5 steps to get him to finally start listening to everything you say. This will help both of you to improve your communication skills and show him how important it is for both of you to listen to each other's perspectives before making any decisions together. Number 1, stop trying to convince him. Trying too hard to convince your partner that you're right can actually do more harm than good. Instead of coming across as confident and sure of yourself, you might end up looking needy and insecure. This can make him even less likely to listen to what you have to say, so take a step back and relax. Don't try so hard to be right or to win the argument. Just express your thoughts and feelings calmly and respectfully. If he doesn't agree with you, that's okay. Let him know that you respect his opinion even if you don't agree with it. Showing him that you're not desperate for him to agree with you will make him more likely to take your thoughts and feelings seriously. Remember, it's not about being right or winning the argument. It's about communicating effectively and building a stronger relationship together. Number 2, set boundaries and enforce them. It's important to set boundaries in any relationship, but especially in one where you feel like you're not being heard. Let him know that it's not okay to ignore you or to talk over you. You could try saying something like, "I feel disrespected when you talk over me. I would appreciate it if you would listen to what I have to say before you start talking." By setting these boundaries, you're letting him know that you're serious about being heard and that you won't tolerate being ignored. The key is to be assertive and consistent. Don't be afraid to stand up for yourself and enforce the boundaries you've set if he continues to ignore you or talk over you despite your boundaries. Then it might be time to take a break from the conversation until he's willing to listen. This can be difficult at first, but it's important to stick to your guns. By doing so, you'll show him that you're serious about being heard and that you won't accept anything less. Setting boundaries and enforcing them can help him to understand that you're not going to be ignored and that he needs to take your thoughts and feelings seriously. Remember, you deserve to be heard and respected in your relationship. Number 3, make eye contact and use open body language. When you're talking to your partner, make sure to maintain eye contact and use open body language. This will show him that you're engaged in the conversation and that you expect him to listen to what you have to say. Avoid crossing your arms or legs or turning away from him, as this can send the message that you're closed off and not interested in talking. Instead, keep your body language open and inviting. For example, you could try sitting up straight with your shoulders back and making eye contact while you speak. This will help him to focus on what you're saying and make him more likely to take your thoughts and feelings into account. In addition, it will also show him that you're confident and self-assured, which will make him more likely to respect and listen to your opinions. Remember, your body language and eye contact can speak volumes, so make sure to use them to your advantage. Number 4, don't assume he knows what you're thinking. One of the biggest mistakes you can make is assuming that your partner knows what you're thinking or feeling. If you're feeling unheard or unappreciated, don't assume he knows. Take the time to express your thoughts and feelings clearly and directly. For example, instead of saying, "You never listen to me," try saying, "I feel like my opinions aren't being taken into account," or "I feel unheard when you don't listen to me." By expressing your feelings directly, you'll be able to get your point across more effectively and increase the likelihood that he'll start listening to you. It can also help to clear up any misunderstandings that may arise from assumptions or miscommunication. Remember, clear and direct communication is essential for building a strong and healthy relationship. Number 5, ask for what you need. If you want your partner to start listening to you, don't be afraid to ask for what you need. For example, if you need him to give you his full attention, let him know. Or if you need him to repeat what you've said to show that he's listening, don't hesitate to ask him to do so. By asking for what you you'll be able to communicate your needs more effectively and increase the likelihood that he'll start meeting them. Remember, it's okay to ask for help or clarification. Doing so doesn't make you weak or needy. Instead, it shows that you're proactive and committed to making your relationship work. Asking for what you need is an essential part of maintaining a healthy and fulfilling relationship. In conclusion, if you feel like your partner isn't listening to you, don't worry. There are steps you can take to get him to start paying attention to what you have to say, from setting boundaries to asking for what you need. Each of these tips can help you to improve your communication and build a stronger connection with your partner. Remember, you deserve to be heard and respected in your relationship, so don't be afraid to speak up and make your needs known. With a little effort and understanding, you can create a more fulfilling and satisfying relationship together. Thanks once more for being here. See you soon. Bye.